Hi, welcome to the 90-10 Fit site. My name is Leticia Pelayo and I am the author of the book titled 90-10 Fit, Eat Well, Get Fit, and Feel Good. My book is broken up into 3 parts. You have a weight loss plan, a body sculpting plan, and delicious recipes. The idea was to create a program that you can incorporate into your busy lifestyle. So on this plan, you only need to work out 3 days a week, and the recipes are easy to make, most of which can be prepared in 30 minutes. Now, the key to any program is really the food. You have to stay with good, healthy eating because otherwise, if you are working out, you may not get the results that you would like. So, the 90-10 Fit plan, though, means that 90% of the time, I want you to follow the program, and 10% I'm going to give you permission to cheat. But the food is so good that you're going to feel like you're cheating all of the time. Now, lots of people have tried this program already and have achieved awesome results. So I encourage you to try it and see what you can achieve. Now, the only way to make it happen and see the results for yourself is to put the plan into action. So, good luck.